Alright guys, this is going to be a quick unboxing video. We received our parcel through the post. ID verification, so I'm sure you can guess what is in this bag. And we've got the Lars Falt to open it up with. Slice that open. I'm not going to take it right out of the bag just in case there's a postal address on there. Guess what it is yet? Another Casstrom, Sweden. That box is absolutely stunning. So I've certainly made an improvement on the boxes. And shall we see what it is? That's all wrapped. Run it fast or run it slow? Let's do it fast. That's right, it's another Lars Falt. And this one is the Jarv, which, like I believe informed, is the Swedish word for the Wolverine. Look at that, guys. That is absolutely stunning. Black liners, same as the original Lars. And this one is 15N20 steel, whereas the original Lars is Sleipner steel. So we'll move our box out of the way and do our Lars comparison. So we've got the original Lars at the top and the new Lars Jarv at the bottom, and that is absolutely gorgeous. And apparently this wood that the handle is made of is supposed to go tacky as your hand warms it up. So you get a better grip, allegedly. And I do believe it is ever so slightly thinner in profile, so let's have a. And it is, believe it or not. Well, obviously I'm going to believe it because they do say it's thinner, so it's ever so slightly thinner in profile. So this is the third Lars of the collection. And we'll get out and we'll give that a. I don't cut paper with my knives I don't shave my hairs off. I've never felt the need to shave my hairs to see how sharp a knife is, but oh yeah, it does have a scent to it. This blade, like that's a fir, like a fir tree scent. There's the two Lars from Casstrom. Got the Lars with the curly birch and the new handle material. So we'll leave you with a once both of them together. I'm not going to get the third one out because I did the handle on the third one myself, and it's not finished. But there you go, guys. That's the two Casstrom Lars, and that handle is just absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.